How to change server in Warzone 3. In this video I will show you how you can change your server or change your country so that you can match with the players that you want. So in order to change your server, just open your Call of Duty account and first click on this option to see your current server address. Once you see this, now go to your activation account that is linked with your Call of Duty account. Once you are on your activation account, here you can see you can get my battle.net has been connected with my Call of Duty account. So in order to change your server, you have to change your country. So just click on this basic info. Now in basic info, you can see at the address is currently INR. It's mean Indian country. Now just click on this and select any other country for which you want to play with your players. So just select any other country to your server will be changed to automatically that country. So this is the way you can change your server in Warzone 3.